Hello my friends, welcome back to another video of TechCover. We know that Play Store is not working on the iPhone devices and there's no way, but I want to show you how to get Play Store in your iPhone. So let me show you how we can do this. First of all, just find out the Play Store logo, just download it from any website you just got here on the Google search. After that, you just have to open up the shortcuts in your iPhone device. So once you got the result, just tap to open. Now what you're gonna do on the next, you're gonna click on plus button you got here, then swipe to right and get the web. And what you're gonna do, you just have to click on open URL. So type here the Google Play Store URL here on this box. So let me type it in, and once I done just here, I will show you the next step. Now we got the URL here on shortcuts, so you're gonna just keep press on it, then click on share, and you have just add to home screen. So what you're gonna do, you just gonna rename it Play Store, then you're gonna add the photo from the gallery. Once you're done that, you can see we got the Play Store. So when I just open it, you can see we will just get apps and also games from here, and this is actually cool. So this is all about how to get Play Store in your iPhone device, but it's not going to work for downloading the apps. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video to your friends if you like the video. Don't forget to hit the like button. See you until next week. It's all videos. Bye bye my friends, peace.